Most people believe that eating carbs at night is a recipe for weight gain. But what if I told you that choosing the right carbs at the right time could actually help you lose weight? It might sound surprising, but science is revealing that consuming specific types of carbohydrates before bed can optimize metabolism, improve sleep quality, and even promote fat burning while you rest. In this video, we'll break down how eating the right carbs at night can be a game changer for weight loss, the best carb sources to include, and the key mistakes to avoid. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more amazing content. Carbohydrates are often misunderstood when it comes to weight loss, especially at night. Many people think that eating carbs late in the day leads to fat storage, but the reality is more complex. The type of carbohydrate, portion size, and your body's overall metabolic state play a crucial role in how these carbs are utilized. When chosen correctly, nighttime carbs can regulate hormones, improve sleep, and even support fat loss. One of the biggest benefits of consuming the right carbohydrates at night is their impact on cortisol and insulin. Cortisol, the stress hormone, tends to be higher in the evening, especially for people who have long workdays or stressful routines. Elevated cortisol levels can make it harder to lose weight and can lead to increased fat storage, particularly around the abdomen. By eating slow-digesting, fiber-rich carbohydrates like quinoa, sweet potatoes, or oats, you help stabilize blood sugar levels and reduce cortisol. This, in turn, signals your body to enter a relaxed state, which is essential for proper recovery and fat metabolism. Another major advantage of nighttime carbs is their role in improving sleep quality. Sleep is one of the most overlooked factors in weight loss, and poor sleep can disrupt hunger hormones, leading to increased cravings and overeating the next day. Carbs help increase serotonin and melatonin production, two neurotransmitters that regulate sleep. Studies have shown that consuming complex carbs a few hours before bed can help you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. Better sleep means a better regulated metabolism, which translates to more efficient fat burning throughout the night. However, not all carbs are created equal. The key is to choose complex, nutrient-dense carbs with a low glycemic index. Whole grains like brown rice, lentils, and legumes provide a steady release of energy without causing blood sugar spikes. These foods also contain fiber and essential nutrients that support digestion and keep you feeling full longer. On the other hand, refined carbs like white bread, sugary snacks, and processed cereals should be avoided, as they can lead to insulin resistance and promote fat storage. So, if you've been avoiding carbs at night out of fear of gaining weight, it's time to rethink your approach. When chosen wisely, nighttime carbs can be a powerful tool for weight loss, helping to regulate hormones, improve sleep, and support long-term metabolic health. Focus on whole, fiber-rich carbohydrates, avoid processed sugars, and balance your meals with protein and healthy fats. By making these simple changes, you can turn your nighttime eating habits into a strategy that works for your body, rather than against it. Who knew that eating carbs at night could actually help with weight loss? The key is choosing the right types of carbs, pairing them with protein, and timing your meals properly. By making these adjustments, you can optimize your metabolism, sleep better, and support your fat loss journey. If you found this information helpful, be sure to apply it to your daily routine and see the results for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and share with your friends.